What's up, my beautiful vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my boneless jerk chicken. And go ahead and preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. That's 338 degrees Fahrenheit. So what I'm doing, I am putting the chicken on a rack, right? You can put it down in the tray, but what would happen is that when the chicken cooked, it would be in its own juice. And I like when my jerk chicken is more on the firmer side, not really wet and in the juice, if you understand what I'm saying, right? So yeah, go ahead and do that. And now I am done and I am putting it in the oven for 15 minutes. And now this is it after 10 minutes, vibes fam. This is after 10. It's coming along, but it needs a little bit more color for me. So you could do it in 12, but I'm doing it in 15, right? So here it is after 15 minutes, 15. Yeah, vibes fam. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out, put it in my bowl. And just to let you know, vibes fam, as I said, when chicken doesn't have bone in it, it can cook very quickly. So 12 minutes is fine. I do 15. But yeah, vibes fam, this is it all done. I know it looks a little bit dry, but I promise it is not dry, and I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna prove to you that it's not dry. So sit back, relax, and just watch what is going on. So I am all done now. And look at it. Here we have it, vibes fam. Here we have this beautiful bowl of boneless jerk chicken. Look at it. Tell me this is not seasoned down to the imaginary bone. Oh my goodness. Yes, it's seasoned, thoroughly seasoned. And this is the other side. So I flip it over just to show you. Yes, vibes fam, it don't dry. It is not dry at all. This is perfection, vibes fam. And I'm gonna go in even a little bit closer just to show you, because I'm telling you, look at it, look at it glistening, juicy in. I'm telling you, vibes fam, it is not dry. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Please go ahead and click the thumbs up, share the video if you haven't already. Please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.